I'm Michael Dier with Watkins Construction and Roofing. If you're seeing this message, you're likely looking to hire a contractor to work on your house. So I'm here to discuss the 5 qualifications a contractor must have to work in your home. First, they should be licensed by the State of Mississippi Board of Contractors. Second, they must be fully insured. General liability insurance is required to be a part of the Mississippi Board of Contractors, and it protects your home from unforeseen circumstances related to your project. Third, they must have manufacturer certification. Contractors must meet minimum requirements put forth by the manufacturers, as well as financial credibility through Dun & Bradstreet credit checks. Fourth, they must have field supervision. Many homeowners are all too familiar with the results of poor workmanship. Select a contractor who will monitor your project with non-working field supervision and quality control to ensure their labor is held to a high standard. Fifth, they must be accredited with the BBB. By electing a contractor that is accredited, you will know that they are held to a higher standard of trust and accountability with their customers. If you'd like to speak with a qualified specialist, click the link below and we'll be happy to help you.